Foodliner and Questliner will service all 48 states plus Canada. We have runs that are 6 miles. We have some runs that exceed well over 1,000 miles. So we do everything in between that. We currently have 30 of our own shops spread out across the country that we're handling 100% of our preventive maintenance for not only our tractors but our trailers also. We expect a lot more out of our vendors than just being a vendor. We want a partnership. We're constantly looking for how do we get better. We were using a local oil company, but we were using many different companies across the country. We weren't consolidated, and we put it out for bid basically. And one of the things we wanted to do was extend the oil drain intervals. The other majors came in and they wanted to take 10 or 20 trucks for a year, test it, and come back to us with a recommendation. Where CITGO was the only one, came in and said, okay, if you go on to the Lube Alert program, we'll guarantee the whole fleet. Pretty much put his money where his mouth was. It gave us a written guarantee that if CITGO oil failed, that they would back it. Can say that after all these years, we've never had to go back to them for that warranty. So the product proved itself, and we've just continued to grow with the CITGO team and to where we're at today. When we first joined the CITGO team, we were at 24,000 oil drain intervals. Thought we took a great big leap when we went to 48,000, and it was with the help of the whole CITGO team that we were able to extend that to where we're at now at 90,000 miles. We're currently using the full family of CITGO products, from engine oil, tranny lube, rear end lube. The added value is huge. You know, from the Lube Alert program to the business reviews, just to be able to monitor where we're at and where we want to go. It helps us make the business decisions that we need to make going forward.
I've been with CITGO for a little over 7 years. I primarily focus on the on-highway transportation sector and support some of CITGO's largest national account customers. One of the great things that Foodliner does is a very data-driven oil analysis program. That information has allowed us to transition them from CITGARD 600-1540 to CITGARD 700-10W30, from CITGARD 700-10W30 to our FA4 CITGARD 700 MFE product family. They're one of the first fleets in the United States that I know of that went full FA4 across the board.
One of the best benefits of dealing with CITGO is we don't have to ask them for the information. They're constantly looking at our oil samples, our usage and everything, and they're coming to us with recommendations on how we can even do better than what we've done in the past. Even since we've stressed the oil to the degree that we have, we're still seeing the benefits of some added fuel economy over the last 15 years. From day one, our relationship with CITGO and the account managers has been second to none. We don't have any problem going nationwide and having the delivery, and we're supported whether it's in California or New York.
The distribution network is critically important to the success of a national account. Simplicity is very important in executing a national account. Thorough communication is extremely important in executing a national account, because for an operation like Foodliner, where you're talking about 40 or 45 locations, they all expect the same materials, the same service, the same lead time, the same cost, and the same processing of invoices. And that's what we do in the National Account Group, is create a single program that can be executed at every maintenance facility.
CITGO has a very easy to use portal for making orders, and we do all centralized orders right out of Dubuque, Iowa for all 30 of our locations. And if there ever is an issue, we have our account manager that we can go to, and things are resolved in a very timely manner. CITGO has demonstrated very well, whatever it may take, they're there to support us and help us get to the next level. It's been a good ride.